Hi everybody, this is a quick demo for our Electric von Frey. So to charge the Electric von Frey, you have an included USB cable. This connects to a computer that you plug in here. You have a plug for your sampler, and you have a plug for the foot switch for manual mode. Included are also these 4 probes with different thicknesses and a calibration weight at 50 grams. So after you've charged your von Frey, turn it on using the switch here and hold this button down here until you see the screen turn on and the loading sequence start. Once you're on your start sequence, you can go into settings and either press automatic mode with a default threshold of 10 micrograms, you can change that, or manual mode, which involves the foot switch. Once you've done that, you can go to start. You usually don't need to calibrate before every trial or calibrate very often with this machine. So we have here the measurement system. Here I'm going to add a new trial. I will call it test. And then once I've done that, I will zero my sampler and then press start. Once I've pressed start, I can then do my experiments. So as you can see here, I have the pressure value in grams going up. On the automatic mode, you can, once you take your finger off the subject, it will automatically record the max value for you before another trial begins. So as you can see here, that was test 2. And then test 3 starts when I add pressure again. Once you've done that, you can then view your results under history here. So you can see the max pressure for each trial, which you can then note down. And then for manual mode, if I pick manual mode here, this is using the foot switch. So again, I make a new protocol. So rather than the system automatically recognizing each max value and then going to minimum, you have to put your foot on the foot switch. So if I press start, and then I press the foot switch to start, and then when I press it again, it will then give me the max value within that period of time between the foot switch being pressed and then pressed off. And then if I go here, you can see the results there.